everybody, it's Shelby from LuckyVitamin, and today we're going to be talking about Castile soap. Castile soap is a clean all. This product literally can clean everything. From your kitchen, to your bathroom, to your kids, even your pets, this stuff can do it all. Castile soap is paraben-free, free of all synthetics, all natural, and it's safe for vegan and vegetarians. It's also great for someone who has sensitivities as it is just made up of veggie oils. So Castile soap came from Castile, Spain, and it was first 100% olive oil. But now it is blended with a bunch of different hydrating and nourishing oils, and it's the Castile soap we know and love today. So Castile soap mainly comes in a liquid concentrated form, but you will find it in a bar soap every so often. This product is also unscented and scented. Some of the top scents that you can get for it is tea tree, lavender, and this one is a citrus scent, great for cleaning products. The main difference between Castile soap and your traditional soaps is it doesn't contain sodium lauryl sulfate. Sodium lauryl sulfate is a foaming agent added into many traditional soaps. And these are great for somebody who has skin sensitivities because SLS has in the past been known to cause some skin and scalp irritations. Castile soap is great to make a bunch of things in your home. You can use it in your laundry room, you can use it in your kitchen, you can use it in your bathroom, you can use it on yourself, but the main thing that you have to remember is to dilute this product. It is a concentrate, so it needs to be diluted. So in your bathroom, if you want a gentler shower scrub, try combining Castile soap with baking soda. In your laundry room, you can add Castile soap to your laundry for a gentler wash. For skin and hair care, I recommend adding Castile soap to glycerin for a soap. For a great natural shampoo, I suggest adding Castile soap to a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut and your favorite essential oil like tea tree, rosemary, citrus, peppermint, and you have a great environmentally friendly shampoo. That's our video on Castile soap and its many uses. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to spread the wellness.